Hello बच्चों and welcome to your accountancy class. बच्चों, as you all know that we are doing the chapter number 2 of accountancy fundamentals of partnership, and we have completed the theoretical part and 3 or 4 numerical questions. Today we will take some more numerical questions related to the P&L appropriation account. Okay बच्चों, so let us start with the question number 7. Question number 7. देखिए बच्चों, you can see on your screen the question is Asha Lata are a partner sharing profit in the ratio 1:2. Asha is entitled to a salary of rupees 2 lakh per annum, means पूरे साल की. ठीक है. If there is per month, अगर per month होता तो फिर हम उसे 12 से मल्टीप्लाई कर मेंशन करते, but there is no need to multiply by anything. And a commission of 8% of net profit before charging any commission. Okay, means आशा को एक तो सैलरी मिलेगा 2 लाख का और एक कमीशन मिलेगा 8%, वो भी किसका? नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर चार्जिंग एनी कमीशन. Lata is entitled to a commission of 8% of the net profit after charging her commission. Okay, Lata को भी कमीशन मिलेगा but after charging her commission. Net profit for the year ended 31st March 2021 amounted to rupees 5,40,000. Okay, prepare P&L appropriation account. So let us start with the question number 7. What is बच्चों क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछना है? That to prepare the P&L appropriation account. So we will prepare the P&L appropriation account, but first we will note the name of partners, which are Asha and Lata. There are 2 partners, Asha and Lata, and the profit sharing ratio is 1:2. Means 1/3 and 2/3. 1 plus 2 means 3. Okay. Now we will prepare the format of P&L appropriation account. The format of P&L appropriation account, you all know that particular amount. Okay. So we will prepare the format of P&L appropriation account, which is particulars amount and particulars amount. Clear? On the top we will write P&L appropriation account, and in bracket we will write for the year ended 31st March 2021. Okay, 2021. Okay. बच्चों, how we will start the P&L appropriation account? From buy side by recording net profit. So we will write here by P&L account, in bracket we will write net profit. Okay, how much net profit is given in the question? Net profit is given 5,40,000 in last time, no? 5,40,000. Okay. After that, Asha is entitled to a salary. So to salary account, and in bracket we will write Asha. How much salary? Rupees 2 lakh per annum. Now to commission, because it is given in the question that both partners are allowed commission. Asha and Lata. Asha and Lata. How much commission? The commission is given in the question for Asha, 8% of net profit before charging any commission. We will calculate here commission Asha. बच्चों, नेट प्रॉफिट कितना है क्वेश्चन में? 5,40,000. इसका 8% कैलकुलेट करेंगे. We will get 008 4 32, 8 5 43,200. So we will write here 43,200. But for Lata, it is given that Lata is entitled to a commission of 8% after charging her commission. आफ्टर चार्जिंग में बच्चों क्या होता है, जो परसेंटेज ऊपर होगी हमारी वो परसेंटेज नीचे 100 के साथ ऐड हो जाएगी. अगर क्वेश्चन में हमें 5% गिवन होता तो वी विल राइट हियर 105. ओके, नाउ वी विल कैंसिल इट आउट. 108 ones are 100, 105 are 540, and 5 8s are 40,000 rupees की लता की कमीशन आ गई 40,000. Now we will add the both items 83,200. Now what we will do बच्चों, हम ये देखेंगे कि किधर का टोटल हमारा ग्रेटर होता है. तो ऑफ कोर्स हमारा टोटल बाई साइड का टोटल ज्यादा 5,40,000. So we will write here to profit transferred and the name of partner is Asha and Lata. Okay, in bracket you will also mention the ratio in which profit will be divided. So how we will calculate the divisible profit? First of all, we will make the total of greater side 5,40,000. After that, we will subtract the two side item 2,83,000, 2,83,200. We will subtract from 5,40,000. We will get 2,56,800, 2,56,800, and we will make the total of both sides equal 5,40,000. This is called our actual divisible profit, and divisible profit will be divided in the ratio which is 1:2. So bachcho, how we will divide this 2,56,800? First of all, 2,56,800 will be divided by the total of ratio which is 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 0 0. 85,600. Now 85,600 multiplied by 1 because the ratio of Asha is 1, which will come 85,600. But the ratio of Lata is 2, so we will multiply 85,600 by 2, which will come कितना आएगा बच्चों? 0 0 12 11 171 200. Find 171 200. So this is the solution of question number 7. Now bachcho, we will move to the next question, which is question number 8. Bachcho, I have told you in my previous video that there are so many items which cannot be entered in P&L application account but show in P&L account, like manager commission. मीन्स जो पार्टनर से रिलेटेड आइटम्स बच्चों नहीं होते हैं सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, उनको हम P&L अकाउंट में शो करते हैं, ना कि P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में. जैसे कि हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में देखा था कि हमारा मैनेजर कमीशन वाज गिवन और उसको हमने P&L अकाउंट में शो किया था, ना कि P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. बच्चों देखें अपनी स्क्रीन पर क्वेश्चन. A, B are partner in a firm sharing profit or loss in the ratio 2:3 with capital of rupees 4 lakh and 8 lakh respectively on 1st April 2020. Means इनकी opening capital is given in the question 4 lakh and 8 lakh. Each partner is entitled to 10% per annum interest on capital. 10% per annum interest on capital देना दोनों को, A, B को. B is entitled to a commission of net profit remaining after deducting interest on capital but before charging any commission. It means बच्चों जो B को हमें कमीशन देनी है वो कैसे देनी है? नेट प्रॉफिट पर, बट नेट प्रॉफिट रिमेन होना चाहिए आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल ऑफ बोथ पार्टनर बट बिफोर चार्जिंग एनी कमीशन. बच्चों बिफोर और आफ्टर चार्जिंग में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? बिफोर चार्जिंग में जो नॉर्मल परसेंटेज होती है हम वो पुट करते हैं लाइक 10/100, बट आफ्टर चार्जिंग में जितना परसेंट होता है वो नीचे हमारा 100 के साथ ऐड हो जाता है. ठीक है, A is entitled to a commission of 8% of net profit remaining after deducting interest on capital and after charging all commission. The profit for the year ended 31st March prior to calculation, prior means before बच्चों, on interest on capital was 6 lakh. Prepare P&L appropriation account. So we will start with the name of partner, which are A and B, and their ratio is given 2:3. The total of 2 3 is 5. Now we will prepare the format of P&L appropriation account. On the top we will mention P&L appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2021. Okay, this column is for amount and this one is for particulars. Now we will start with net profit by P&L account. In bracket we will now write net profit, which is given in the question 6 lakh rupees. Okay, 6 lakh is given. After that, bachcho, what is given in the question? Interest on capital. So where we have to write the interest on capital in two sides. To interest on capital account, and the name of partner are A and B. The capital of A is 4 lakh and the interest is given 10%. So 10% of 4 lakh is 40,000. And the 10% of 8 lakh, because the capital of B is given in the question 8 lakh, which will come 80,000. The total is 1,20,000. Okay. Now the next thing is B is entitled to a commission. Okay. So we will calculate the amount of commissions of A and B. We will write here 2 commission. बच्चों अगर मैनेजर कमीशन होता तो वो P&L अकाउंट में जाता, बट ये कमीशन पार्टनर्स का है, दैट इज व्हाई इट विल बी शोन इन P&L appropriation account. A and B. Firstly, the commission of B is given. B is entitled to a commission. देखिए बच्चों, थर्ड लाइन में B is entitled a commission of 10% of net profit remaining after deducting interest on capital but before charging any commission. So first हम पहले net profit में से बच्चों which is 6 lakh, interest on capital deduct कर देंगे 1,20,000. So it will remain 4,80,000. अब हम इसका सीधे 10% कैलकुलेट कर देंगे, which will come 48,000. So we will write here 48,000. Now we will calculate the commission of A. देखिए बच्चों क्वेश्चन में what is given? A is entitled to a commission of 8% of net profit remaining after deducting interest on capital and after charging all commission. It means that first हम interest on capital subtract करेंगे, it will remain 4,80,000, and in question it is they are saying that after charging all commission, means अगर हम उससे पहले कोई कमीशन किसी को दे चुके हैं, हम किसे दे चुके हैं? B को, so हम B की कमीशन भी यहाँ से subtract कर देंगे. 0 0 0 10 में से 2 7 4 3 and 4,32,000 remaining profit बचा. ठीक है, अब इस पे हम आफ्टर चार्जिंग का फॉर्मूला लगा देंगे, which is 8/108. ओके, 108 1s are 108 4s are 432 and 4 8s are 32,000 is commission. ओके बच्चों, जैसे जैसे क्वेश्चन में कहते जाएं आप सिंपली वैसे करते जाइए. 32 और 48 का टोटल जब आप करेंगे इट विल कम 80,000. Now finally we have filled all the points in P&L appropriation account. Now the total of buy side is greater, which is 6 lakh. Okay, 6 lakh, and two side to 1,20,000 and 80,000 only is given. So the difference will come into profit transferred. and we will write here the ratio 2:3, and the name of partners are A and B. 6 lakh minus 120 and 80, 2 lakh. 6 lakh minus 2 lakh, the remaining balance is 4 lakh. Okay, which will be called divisible profit. Okay, now 4 lakh will be divided in the ratio 2:3. The total of 2-3 ratio बच्चों 5. So first we will divide 4 lakh by 5. 5 8s are 40, 80,000. Now multiply it by 2 for A, 1,60,000, and then multiply 80,000 by 3 for B, 2,40,000. So 1,60,000 and 2,40,000. So this is the solution of question number 8. Keep revising it, bachcho, and thank you so much.